Did you call me? Did you call me? Did you call me? Would you help me? Would you help me? Would you help me? Could you open the door? Could you open the door? Could you open the door? Should you be here now? Should you be here now? Should you be here now? Did your mom say yes? Did your mom say yes? Did your mom say yes? Would your dad like this? Would your dad like this? Would your dad like this? Could your friend come too? Could your friend come too? Could your friend come too? Did you eat breakfast? Did you eat breakfast? Did you eat breakfast? Would you like some tea? Would you like some tea? Would you like some tea? Could you see the sign? Could you see the sign? Could you see the sign? Should you go now? Should you go now? Should you go now? Did you get my message? Did you get my message? Did you get my message? Would you stay longer? Would you stay longer? Would you stay longer? Could you come early? Could you come early? Could you come early? Did you bring your bag? Did you bring your bag? Did you bring your bag? Would you mind waiting? Would you mind waiting? Would you mind waiting? Did you know that? Did you know that? Did you know that? Could you help me please? Could you help me please? Could you help me please? Should you wait outside? Should you wait outside? Should you wait outside? Would you drive today? Would you drive today? Would you drive today? Could you hear that noise? Could you hear that noise? Could you hear that noise? Did you hear the song? Did you hear the song? Did you hear the song? Would your friend join us? Would your friend join us? Would your friend join us? Should you eat now? Should you eat now? Should you eat now? Did you lose your phone? Did you lose your phone? Did you lose your phone? Could you find the book? Could you find the book? Could you find the book? Would you read this story? Would you read this story? Would you read this story? Should your brother call? Should your brother call? Should your brother call? Could your mom drive us? Could your mom drive us? Could your mom drive us? Did your teacher say that? Did your teacher say that? Did your teacher say that?